Today we are going to discuss the chapter magnetic material. The topic is expression for dipole moment of electron. Now we know that in atom electron revolves around the nucleus in circular orbit. Now due to this orbital motion of electron, a dipole moment is created. Let us see how the derivation is obtained. We know that in atom electron revolve around the nucleus in circular orbit. Let E is charge on electron, m suffix E mass of electron, r radius of orbit of electron, t time period of electron, v linear velocity of electron, omega angular velocity of electron, m orbital magnetic dipole moment of electron. Now let us write down these notations value: charge on electron, mass of electron, r radius of orbit of electron, t time period of electron, v velocity linear velocity of electron, omega angular velocity of electron, and m orb orbital, that is dipole moment of electron due to the orbital motion. Let I is electron current. Now we know that electron revolves in circular orbit, hence this is the r, the time period. The time period is equal to t is equal to 2 pi r upon v, or v is equal to 2 pi r upon t, circumference upon t, time period. Now electron revolves in a circular orbit. We know that dipole moment, orbital dipole moment is I into A. N times I into A in terms of electromagnet. We have studied magnetic dipole moment is given by NIA, where N is number of turns. Now in this example we are considering only one electron which is revolving around the nucleus. Hence just write down m orbit is equal to I into A. Here I is electron current and A is area of cross section. Now I is equal to electron current, I is equal to E upon capital T, rate of flow of electric current. We know rate of flow of electric charge. By using that concept, I is equal to charge upon time period, E upon T, but we know that T is equal to 2 pi r upon V. Hence I is equal to E upon value of T, 2 pi r upon V. Hence magnetic dipole moment can be written as m orbital is equal to value of I, EV upon 2 pi r, and area of cross section pi r square. Here pi get cancelled, r get cancelled, and our equation becomes 1 by 2 EVR. This is the first equation of magnetic dipole moment of electron. We have to obtain different types of equation. This is the first equation. By using this equation, we can find out the orbital magnetic moment or dipole moment of electron in an orbit of an atom. Now, here M orbital. We know that magnetic dipole moment is a vector quantity and its direction is by right hand screw rule perpendicular to the plane of revolution of electron. Now this is the first equation what we have obtained. Magnetic dipole moment of electron is equal to 1 by 2 EVR. Multiply and divide this equation by mass of electron, we get mass of electron. Here E is suffix, EVR. E upon twice ME. This E and twice ME, and remaining mass of electron, velocity of electron, and radius of orbit of electron. See here this equation. Now we know that angular momentum of electron is given by L is equal to mRV. We are considering the magnetic moment of electron and just write here mass of electron. We know that angular momentum of electron is given by L is equal to mRV. Hence we can write m orbital is equal to E upon twice ME into L. Again, this equation gives orbital magnetic moment of electron. This equation gives magnitude. We know that angular momentum is a vector quantity. Also, magnetic dipole moment is a vector quantity. In vector form, we can write is equal to minus E upon twice ME. Here, orbital dipole moment and angular momentum are opposite. Hence, this direction gives angular momentum of electron, and thus vectorically these two are opposite. Again, this equation, by using this equation, we can find orbital dipole moment of electron. That is, dipole moment of electron when it is revolving in circular orbit. This is equation number 2. We write here m orbital is equal to E upon twice ME into L. In vector form, it can be written as, because magnetic dipole moment and angular momentum are in opposite direction. Now from this equation, here you will observe that E charge on electron, m mass of electron. Hence, if we take the ratio of these two quantity, m, that is dipole moment, and angular momentum of electron, the value comes out to be, from this equation, E upon twice m. Here E is suffix. Keeping the values of charge on electron and mass of electron, we get the answer 8.8 into 10 to the power minus 10. This is a constant quantity. hence it has its value is 8.8 into 10 to the power minus 10, and this constant is known as gyromagnetic ratio. From this equation we can define gyromagnetic ratio. How? It is the ratio of M and L. That means it is the ratio of dipole moment of electron to its angular momentum, and its value is constant, which comes out to be 8.8 into 10 to the power minus 10. Now let us see further. We know that from Bohr's theory's second postulate, in case of Bohr's theory, stationary orbits or Bohr's orbit, in stationary orbit electron can revolve without radiating energy only in those orbit for which angular momentum of electron is equal to integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. This is the second postulate of Bohr theory. From this equation we can write angular momentum is equal to integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. Here n is principal quantum number and h is Planck's constant. And we know that angular momentum is L. It is equal to mRV, here me, which is equal to nh upon 2 pi. Keep this value in this equation. What we get? Magnetic dipole moment of electron is equal to E upon twice m multiplied by L. L means nh upon 2 pi. Thus we can write NEH upon 4 pi m E. By using this equation we can also determine the magnetic dipole moment of electron. Now here, for first orbit, we know that in case of hydrogen atom, there is only one electron which revolves in the first orbit. For first orbit, n is equal to 1. Hence, orbital magnetic moment can be written as EH upon 4 pi m. This value is again a constant. E charge on electron, H Planck's constant, m mass of electron. This value is called as Bohr's magneton, and thus dipole moment of electron can be expressed in Bohr's magneton. Now Bohr's magneton can be defined as it is the orbital dipole moment of electron in the first orbit of hydrogen atom. Hence, this is the equation number 3. Equation 1, 2, 3 gives expressions for dipole moment of electron. Value of Bohr's magneton is EH upon 4 pi m. Its value is again a constant, and thus orbital magnetic moment, orbital dipole moment can be expressed in terms of Bohr's magneton.